Hello, culinary adventurers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of taro, a root vegetable that's been cherished for generations. Join us as we unearth the numerous benefits of incorporating taro into your diet, discuss the situations when it's best to exercise caution, and learn how to make the most of this starchy delight for the best results. So, get ready for a starchy journey as we explore the wonders of taro. Malonga is a tropical plant belonging to the Araceae family, and its tuber, also known as taro, is widely consumed in various cultures around the world. This edible root is prized for its smooth texture and unique flavor, which can range from sweet to earthy. In addition to being a source of carbohydrates, taro also provides important nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Its culinary versatility and nutritional value make it an essential food in many traditional and modern diets. High nutritional content, malonga is a rich source of essential nutrients for health. It contains complex carbohydrates, fiber, protein, vitamins, such as vitamin C, B6, B1 and B2, minerals, such as potassium, magnesium, iron and phosphorus. Development and growth support, malonga is especially beneficial for children and adolescents, as its content of protein and essential nutrients contributes to optimal development and growth. Helps in weight loss, malonga is a nutritionally dense and low-calorie option, which makes it a good food for those looking to lose weight or maintain a balanced diet. Energy source, thanks to its complex carbohydrate content, taro is an excellent slow-release energy source, making it an ideal food for maintaining stable energy levels for extended periods. Blood sugar regulation, the presence of fiber and complex carbohydrates in taro helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing sharp peaks and valleys in glucose levels and therefore benefiting people with diabetes or seeking to maintain a glycemic balance. Improves digestive health. The fiber present in taro promotes digestion and prevents constipation, relieving gastrointestinal problems and maintaining a healthy digestive system. Cardiovascular protection, the antioxidants present in taro, such as anthocyanins and beta-carotene, help protect the heart and arteries from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Blood pressure control. The potassium content in taro can help maintain healthy blood pressure, which in turn reduces the risk of hypertension. Strengthens the immune system. Vitamin C and other antioxidants present in taro help strengthen the immune system, protecting the body from infections and diseases. Benefits for vision. The presence of vitamin A in taro is essential to maintain good vision, as this nutrient is essential for the proper functioning of the retina. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some components present in taro, such as carotenoids and phenolic compounds, have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. The presence of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in taro is associated with reduced risk of developing chronic diseases, such as cardiovascular disease and some types of cancer. Bone maintenance. Malonga contains minerals such as calcium, phosphorus and magnesium, which are essential for the maintenance of strong bones and teeth. Improves brain function. The nutrients and antioxidants present in taro can improve brain function, aiding concentration, memory, and cognitive performance. The folic acid content in taro is beneficial for pregnant women, as this nutrient is essential for proper development of the fetus and prevention of neural tube birth defects. Nervous system support. Malonga contains vitamin B6, which is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system and the synthesis of neurotransmitters. Despite the numerous health benefits that taro offers, it is also important to be aware of its contraindications and possible side effects. Below, I will mention some of the main contraindications associated with the consumption of taro. Allergic reactions. As with other foods, some people may be allergic to taro. Symptoms of an allergic reaction can include itching, swelling, hives, shortness of breath, or even anaphylaxis. If you experience any of these symptoms after consuming taro, you should seek medical attention immediately. High oxalate. Malonga is rich in oxalates, which are natural compounds present in many plant foods. However, in susceptible people, oxalates may contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Therefore, people with a history of kidney stones or who have a condition known as hyperoxaluria should moderate their taro intake. Digestive problems. Although taro is beneficial for most people in terms of digestive health, some people may experience gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating, gas or diarrhea, when consuming large amounts of taro, or if their digestive system is sensitive to fiber and complex carbohydrates. Starch content. Malonga is rich in starch, making it inappropriate for people with certain health conditions, such as glycogen storage disease type 1, EG1, a rare inherited metabolic disease that affects the body's ability to metabolize glycogen. Drug interaction. As with many foods, taro may interact with certain medications. For example, its potassium content might affect people who take medications to regulate potassium levels in the body, such as certain diuretics or angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE, inhibitors used to treat high blood pressure. Proper preparation. Malonga contains toxic substances, such as calcium oxalate and rapid crystals, which decompose with proper cooking. It is important to cook taro well before consuming it, as consuming raw taro could cause irritation of the throat and mouth due to the presence of these compounds. To reap the benefits of taro, it is essential to incorporate it properly into your diet and lifestyle. Here are some recommendations to take advantage of its positive properties. Cooked or boiled. Malonga can be cooked by boiling it in water until tender. After cooking, it can be peeled and cut into slices or pieces to serve as a garnish or as an ingredient in other dishes. Fried. Malongos can also be cut into slices or strips and fried until crispy and golden. Fried taro beans are a popular choice as an appetizer or side dish. Roasted in the oven. Another delicious option is to roast the malonga in the oven, which enhances its flavor and creates a smooth and creamy texture inside. Malonga puree. Similar to mashed potatoes, you can make a boiled taro puree and then mix it with butter, milk or cream for a smooth texture and delicious taste. Malonga in soups and stews. Malonga can be used as an ingredient in soups and stews, providing a texture similar to that of potatoes and adding a unique flavor to these dishes. Steamed taro. Malonga can also be steamed to maintain its flavor and nutrients. Beverages. In some cultures, taro is used to make beverages, such as smoothies or juices, by mixing it with other ingredients such as fruit or milk. And there you have it, a flavorful expedition through the world of taro, from its incredible benefits to the moments when it's essential to be mindful. With this newfound knowledge, you can now confidently enjoy the unique flavors and benefits of taro. If you found this video informative and your taste buds are tingling, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow food enthusiasts. We're always eager to hear from you, so drop your questions and culinary experiences in the comments section below. Before we say goodbye, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you're among the first to know when we bring you more exciting insights on exotic ingredients, cooking, and living a flavorful life. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey through the world of taro. Remember, just like taro adds substance to your dishes, knowledge adds depth to your life. Stay curious and keep savoring the flavors of the world.